So here's our container number 2. It's a matching one just like the first one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned because I have not cleaned this for the season. So I just have a wet paper towel here. I'm just going to give it a good wipe down. And as you can see, these containers really take a beating. I don't always clean these out and put them up for the fall. I just leave them out. And this is like a resin, so they never crack, they never split or break, but they're really pretty pots and they just need a good thorough wipe down. They really don't even need to be spray painted either, so just give me just a second while we get these cleaned up and wiped down. Hopefully that looks clean enough on that side for y'all. Alright, so again, the first thing that I do is assess this pot. The soil has sunk down in over the winter, so I'm going to go ahead. I've removed like the top third. I'm going to go ahead and just recharge this soil. I don't always empty out all my soil. I usually try to get a couple of years out of it because the plants don't go all the way to the bottom. So I've kind of gone through and I've turned all the soil under, the top down underneath. So now I'm just going to take my Proven Winners Miracle Grow potting mix. I'm just going to add some soil in. And this has a lot of the nutrients and goodies already in it, built in. That should be good. Make it nice and neat. Alright, that looks great. So we're going to go back in with our Proven Winners Premium Continuous Release Plant Food. And again, this is heat activated just like I did in the first container. It's a duplicate, so we're going to do exactly the same thing each time. So I'm going to use about 3 scoops. It's also a shaker, so you can. This has a shaker top, so you can shake it out. And I do it both ways. Let me just show you. See, there's your shaker top. And just work that into the top few inches of soil, and this is again heat activated, so as the heat heats up this summer, it'll just get, so again, just like the first container, we're going to be using the Proven Winners, the SuperTunia Bordeaux. And these SuperTunias are beautiful. They're a light lavender with a dark purple throat, and they are vigorous growers. These plants will completely engulf this container within just about a month or so, and they will continue to grow all season long, and they'll be amazing. So again, I'm just going to imagine this container in thirds. We're just going to plant in thirds today. So just pop those right in. Already looking good. Make sure you have plenty of soil contact all around your root ball. I'm going to go in with plant number 2. And again, just imagine this as a wheel. You make a little hole there and just pop it right in. Nothing to it. If you don't like the way they're positioned, they can always be moved. So then we'll just come in with our third one. Make a little well, just move that soil out of your way and pop it right down in. You can just feel your way around, make sure that you have plenty of soil around the root ball. I know I keep stressing that, but it's really important. And once we water them in for the first time, it'll settle all the soil in and we'll get rid of all the air pockets. So let me go ahead and grab my watering container. I'll go ahead and water these in for the first time. This will make it nice. This will settle all the soil for us. And then what I'll do is I'll hook everything up to my drip irrigation, and then I just water them in this first time, and then they're set to go for the rest of the growing season. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you've enjoyed watching how I put these containers together. This is a relatively easy one. Some of them I really pack out. But for these, I'm just going to do 3. So thank you so much for watching my channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.